Hey y'all are just in time for supper. That's right, we're making supper tonight. And guess what? We are making cheesy, meaty tortellini. Now, I went to the Blackstone Griddle tour and I seen Todd put some tortellini straight up on the griddle top. I'm like, gotta try it. But I'm gonna put a little twist on it. We're gonna make more of a classic type of a pasta tortellini dish, I guess you'd call it. I don't know if it's classic or not. Anyhow, we're gonna make this for supper. I made this the other night and the kids loved it. I'm like, so gotta share it. So that's kind of my test kitchen. Is kind of, you know, I make it, I might like it, but if the kids love it, hey, I gotta share it out with y'all. So anyhow, that's what we're gonna be doing. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, ringing that bell notification, hitting that thumbs up, and let us know down below that you're joining us here at the Crazy Acres. We'd love to have you here. If you've been here, thank you so much for all the support you've been showing us. I really, really do appreciate everything you have been doing. So we got to get this griddle fired up. We got to show you some groceries. Also, if you're looking for any other recipes we might have done, look in the description down below. There's a recipe playlist down there. You can find all our recipes there. Also, stick around. We have 2 letters here from Stanley. Don't have a last name, so Stanley, thank you. From Chester, Virginia. So stick around to the end of the video. Let's see what Stanley sent us. So with all that being said, let's get to firing this thing up and let's show some groceries. So for this cook, I'm going to use all 4 burners. Now I am going to turn this down to about a medium heat all the way across. And if we adjust, hey, like always, I'll let you know. Now the reason we're calling this cheesy is because I have some mozzarella cheese here, plus the tortellini has cheese in it. Now we are using 3 bags of tortellini and 2 packs of this mild Italian, simply because, hey, I have a lot of mouths to feed. Now, we're going to go with the Prego meat flavored sauce. Use whatever kind of sauce you like. You know, if you like the garlic or the herb or whatever, you know, that's up to you. Whatever you and your family like, use that. We're starting to get a little smoke off this griddle. That means this griddle is ready for some groceries. So let's just do that. Let's put some groceries on the griddle. Now what I'm going to do is going to start off with the sausage first, because it's going to take kind of the longest. I'm going to go ahead and start getting them cooked, give them a head start. That tortellini won't take long. Let's go and get our sausages on the grill here, y'all. Then over here more toward the center, it'll cook up. And there, we're gonna get that sausage a little head start, get it cooking a little bit. We're gonna cut it up, throw in that tortellini. It's gonna be good. Now these sausages ain't been on here long, so we need to go ahead and kind of just flip them around so they don't just burn on one side and they'll kind of cook thoroughly. Yeah, see there? Let's go ahead and just give them a good flip here. So what we're gonna do is just cook them just a little bit. We're not gonna get them all the way done maybe. Kind of just cut them up. And then let them finish cooking them with the tortellini. Flip over there, there you go. There you go, y'all. Let that cook just a little bit like that. Let them cook a little bit longer. Maybe flip around on the back sides, whatever, kind of get them done a little more. And hey, we'll cut them up. All right, these sausages are getting close to being done. I'm gonna slide them all over. I actually cut that side down to low. We're gonna throw the tortellini on here. Kind of let these hang out over here on the low side now. Now, as you can see, this griddle is screaming hot. So I'm probably gonna cut it down just a little bit to about a medium low over here. Throw these tortellinis on here, y'all. Just like so, just straight on the griddle. All 3 bags. Like so. Kind of mix it around here, get them all introduced to the heat. Get them out from the edge there. Kind of just spread them around. I think I'm gonna add a little water to them, because the thing about it is, you see they're kind of sticking a little bit. That water helps steam them too. All right, we got tortellini on, kind of going now. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our cutting board out and start cutting the sausage up, mix it in so it can finish cooking with that tortellini. Now, as far as sausage goes, you cut it up however you want. You want big pieces, little pieces, mince it up, however you like the sausage in your pasta dishes, do that. What I'm gonna do is just go right down the center here, like so. As you see, it still needs a little more cooking. That's okay, it's gonna get the cooking. And just cut pieces up like this. Throw it over there. That's simple, y'all. Throw it over there. Get the rest of the sausage cut up, get it mixed in good, you'll be ready. Now, as you cut up the sausage, you might want to keep on getting that tortellini a little mix, that way you don't burn it. See, it is starting to stick a little bit, and that's fine. It's going to stick some. Could throw down a little bit of oil on it, probably wouldn't hurt it none. And by the way, the entire griddle now is down on low while I cut the rest of the sausage up and get it introduced in there, and then we're going to finish cooking this thing. Just come in here and just give it a little stir every now and then. Kind of keep it cooking. See the tortellini starting to get a nice little brownness to it. Sausage is going to fix to get done. So that's some good eating, y'all. Some good eating. And one more to go. Get it all cut up. It's a lot of sausage, y'all, but I tell you what, if you like a meaty pasta dish, this is the way to go. Right here. Mild Italian sausage. Now, if you want a strong Italian, that's fine too. Use whatever kind of sausage you like. Okay, all our sausage is in now. Tortellini's on, just about done. Let's mix this all together, get that sausage done, and we're gonna have some sauce. I'm gonna tell you, the smell of this sausage coming off this griddle is just delicious. It's just awesome. I want to go ahead and start eating. Now at this point, we're just gonna kind of keep it stirred, make sure all that sausage is done before we add the sauce to it. Just kind of look around, see if you see any more sausage and kind of a little pink in it, something you don't want to. You just want to make sure it's all done, that's all. It's looking pretty good so far. I've seen a couple little pieces. Spread them back out. Make sure everything is done. That tortellini is ready. It's getting good and tender. I can already feel it and tell it. As you can see, it cuts no problem. Sausage look like it's done. Yeah, buddy. Okay, tortellini's done. Sausage is done. We got to get some sauce on here. Now, I'm not going to let the sauce cook on here too long. I will tell you this. I did that last time, and I don't want to say it's dry. There's plenty of sauce left on there, but it wasn't like the sauce running off of everything. So you cook it like you want it, you know. I'm going to put it on here, heat that sauce up, and pretty much take it up. That's going to be about it. Well, I say about it. We got some other things we're going to do to it, but we don't want the sauce to just bake on there. So anyhow, I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay, so at this point, I have the griddle on completely on low. All 4 burners are on low. We're going to have this whole jar of sauce in here. Get all that goodness in there. Yeah, buddy. Now we have some smell coming on here. Let's give everything a good toss. Get it all mixed up. Oh boy, that's a smell. That is amazing coming off here now. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn these two far burners over here completely off. Keep all this over here. Now, we'll break out the warming rack, put this little casserole dish up here, put everything on in it. Watch this. So go ahead and break out your Blackstone warming rack. You can set it right here, however you want to set it, it don't matter. Do that. Let's turn you like that. And let's start dishing you up here. Boy, don't that look good, y'all? As you can see, this makes a lot of food. It's gonna be a very, very full casserole dish. But that's okay, that's what you want. A few more pieces, a little more sauce. Look at that, y'all, look at that. Kind of push it down. Get the rest of that sauce off these spatulas. Y'all take a look at that big old dish. But you know something? We're not done. That's right, we're not done. We gotta put the mozzarella on top, like if there ain't enough cheese in it already. Let's go ahead and just top it with some mozzarella here. Oh yeah, buddy. Now, if you want to use a different type of cheese, hey, by all means do it. Use a little stinky cheese, a little Parmesan. Use some mozzarella, or mozzarella, however you want to say it. And me, I want a lot of cheese on here. You know me, I'm kind of cheesy. Plus, I just think it looks prettier. Now, got the cheese on here. Let's melt that cheese down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close this lid down. Just kind of hit it with some steam here. And we'll let it sit, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes and we'll check on it. Okay, y'all, it's been about 3 minutes. Let's pop the top and take a look. Oh yeah, buddy. What you think about that? You need a close-up of this. Just look at that ooey, gooey, cheesy goodness that we got going on here. Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all. There's only 2 things left to do now. One is kill the heat. All right, got that out the way. Now it's time to eat. All right, y'all. This is looking pretty doggone good. We got to try this out. So I got me a spoon, got me a plate, and I got me a fork. Let's dip some of this up. Some of this cheesy, ooey gooey goodness. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out, y'all. Try just a little bit of it. Say something for the crazy kids. So, super simple, easy weeknight meal. Took about 30 minutes maybe. Let's try it out. Ooh, that cheese. Mmm. Yeah, buddy. Perfect. And all on the Blackstone. Who'd thunk it? That sausage, that cheese tortellini, that sauce. Yeah. Now, like I said, use what kind of sauce you want. We're just using the meat flavored. That's what we like. If you want to use that, the garlic and herb or whatever, no matter. And let me know what you might do different with this dish. I'd love to know. Remember I told you we got some mail? Let's open it up and see what Stanley done did send us. From Chester, Virginia. Let's see here. Sandra. We got a $5 bill, but that's not the best part. The best part is I want you to see this. It's handwritten. Dear Crazy Pop, I'm a big fan of your videos. I would love to see you attempt to make cinnamon apples on the Blackstone. That's coming. Me and my dad tried them and they were delicious. I'm a subscriber. Me and my mom adore you. using your seasoning. We think it's the cutest thing. Oh. This is going to be put in a frame. I'm telling you. It's going to be put in a frame. I want y'all to see this. This is, I'm just, got a little apple. I'm loving this, y'all. $5 for the seasoning. That made, I want to say it made my day. It made my entire week. We got another one here. Let's see what's from the same place. Let's see. I'm really, this is, I'm so humbled by this. It's just amazing to me because wow, I don't even know what to say. I just don't. Another handwritten letter. This is amazing. I love this. They're Crazy Pop. My daughter Caitlin and I are so excited we found your channel. We love watching you experiment with your Blackstone grill and your seasonings. We have a Blackstone too. That's great. And we love it. I would like to see you cook bratwurst with onions and peppers. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. I bet those will be delicious. Well, now I have two things that I just have to do. The cinnamon apples and the, let me get this right, bratwurst with onions. Yes, your #1 fan in Virginia, Shannon. We love Crazy Pop, y'all. Thank you. Thank you all so much. I don't know what to say to that. I'm loving that. Thank you so much. These actually can be put in picture frames. Nobody's ever give us a handwritten letter and did all that, and thank you. I don't know how to say thank you enough, but thank you. So, if y'all want to send us anything like they did, hey, our P.O. box is listed down below in the description. But hey, you don't have to. But that made my week. Thank you so much. So with that being said, I got to go finish the crazy kids, feed them some supper, and we'll see you next time.